In this part, we are going to create the to-dos inside our app. So we already have the use case to set the to-dos, and now we are going to set it inside the input field. Go to this input elements and add on change is equal to E, and then we set to do, and then we spread the to do, and then we append the title as the event.target.value. Now we copy this and paste to the next input field, and this time we are going to change this to detail, and again we change this to date, and we also have to apply the value is equal to to-do dot title, and we copy this and paste to here and change this to detail, and we paste here and change this to date. Now we go to the top and create a create to do functions, and we set constant create to do is equal to async, and then we use try catch block, and we go to the constant and we get data from the API. So we use await API.create to do, and we pass the to do to the create to do functions. So after that, we are going to set to do, so it will append the new to do to the original to do list. Since this API will return the newly created to do status, so we append to the original to do list. So if there is error, we just console.log the error. And now we are going to bind these functions to the submit button. So we go to the button and set on click is equal to create to do, and then we can look at this to do by using display the to do on our website. So we use json.stringify to do, and then use /t. So if we type a new title and new detail, and then we set the date, and then we click submit. Now you can see this appends to the list, and if we go to the Strapi, you can see the new to-do that we just created is already inside our database. So this is how to create a to-do inside our React app.